Alright guys, so before I forget, let me show you guys the goodies. So, I did end up picking up the One Size Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. I did pick this up. I did get the travel size. So I can see if I like it. Fingers crossed that I do. Then we go back and get the 4 size. In addition to that, we also got the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It's an all-in-one primer and moisturizer. I can take out the box to show you guys what it looks like. This is also the travel size as well. It says 5 ounces. Is it 5 ounces? Yeah. 0.5 fluid ounces. But this is the travel size. I don't currently right now have a moisturizer. So I wanted to try this one out. See how I like it. And then you guys saw when I was with the sales associate, she helped me get the the Born This Way in the shade Honey and Sand. And this is what it looks like. So they give you a sample so you guys know. So you guys will know. When they give you a sample, they put them in these little containers. And she labeled it A and B. And then on the back of the bag, she put the names of them, of which one is what. She gave me a good amount of it for a sample too. Thank you, girl. The skin, look at my skin. Now at this point, I'm producing some oil. I left out the house probably about a little bit before 9. But look at my skin. Minus the lip combo. But my skin looks really good. I'm liking it. Then the other brand that I asked for a sample of is the NARS. I believe I got Macau and Marie, I think. And these are the 2 samples for those. So these were concealers. Nope, these were foundations. And then the Born This Way were concealers. So we got some new things to try out. Thank you, Fatima girl. Again, she gave me a $50 gift card. And she wanted it to my favorite teacher. Aww. And we still got some change left over. Just so y'all get to take out. Look at my little pack. We don't need this in the camera. Anywho, what was I talking about? Oh, just to show you guys what I used this morning. We first put on the primer. Put this on all over the face. And then we went in with the LA Pro Girl Concealer. Just in this area and then like around my nose right here. We blended it out. We set it with this Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. My medium brown setting powder by Artistry. And then the NYX Translucent. We mixed those and set it. On a little highlighter earlier. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's by Wet n Wild. The color is Precious Petals. Lash mascara for my eyelashes. Dusty Mauve by the Artistry brand. Don't judge me. But I headband. Which means I already did like this. Blush. And it's pretty much gone. Which is why we were looking for a blush today. And couldn't find one in stock. Go back to the store. Probably when we actually try these samples out. But yeah, that was the only thing that I used. Brush to like blend it out. The concealer out. And then I went over it with the pressed powder. Like this. And that was it. Like I literally have nothing. Y'all saw when I was in the store. I tested out the foundations and stuff on my face. There's nothing. Nothing but some oil at this point. Back into makeup. Maybe that'll be my little quick go-to. Use these 2 brushes. Use the La Fond. Let's go back to our old ways. Now that we're trying to get back into the... Yes! Look at my skin. Okay, I'm done. Neutrogena fragrance-free makeup towelette. Well, I can't talk. Just so y'all can see. Like, Like, I barely have anything on my face. Do y'all see this? Like, that little bit really made the girl look like she was glowing.